Hello, everyone. My name is Wendy, and I am from the beautiful island of Puerto Rico, but I am currently living in Cali, Colombia. So today I wanted to share a website with you that I have found to have a lot of great resources that you can use in the classroom or virtually. So let's start. So I'm currently using the Zoom platform, and I'm going to share my screen if it allows me to. Here we go. Now, this is the website. It is called gamesforesl.com. You don't have to specifically use it for ESL. You can use it for whatever topic you are currently teaching. So they have a lot of different resources. I greatly encourage you to go into the website and browse as much as you can. There's a lot of things that you can use in your class, but today I will specifically be talking about the PowerPoint games. So these games are very interactive and engaging. They have hidden picture, memory game, PowerPoint race games, sleeping penguins, telepathy PowerPoint, mystery box, top 5, lucky box, let's dance, and Jeopardy and Halloween. But today I'm going to focus on Race Game. Race Game is my students' absolute favorite game, and I'm going to teach you how to use it and show you guys how to play it. So I'm currently going to stop share and I'm going to share again, but with the game. So this would be the space game. The good thing is that once you downloaded the game, it does come with a brief explanation on how to play. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a template. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put what fruit is it? I have the same picture. It's an apple as I saved it earlier from Google. And I'm going to write here, it's an apple. Once we have that done, we can start our game. So how to play, and let's start. So I would have my class divided into two teams, Team Rocket and Team Alien. Let's chant together. 3, 2, 1, go! So I would have a contestant from each team come up and ask them, are you ready? Once they replied, yes, I'm ready, we would press the home button and we will go to the first question. What fruit is it? It's an apple. The first student to answer correctly, their team gets to move forward. I would like to add that once you've gone forward, you cannot move back. So if you happen to want to take a point away, what you can do instead is give the point to the other team. So I'm going to say it was Team Alien. Good job, Team Alien. Now I'm going to show you how it moves around the slide and makes it go all the way to the end. Go Team Alien. Ship wins. If it had been Team Rocket, it would also say Rocket Ship wins. And I'd like to add here that there are 16 slides. Make sure you fill all of them up. Otherwise, you might come onto the planet with a blank slide. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that this is useful for you. And we do remember that there are a lot more games on the website. Download them, enjoy them, use them in your class. If you have any questions, ask me. I'm more than happy to help. So thank you again and bye-bye. See you next time.